All right, Precalculus, we're going to continue the quiz review day 1, extra practice. So here we go. It's another sum of the series. Now, I can first look at the formula here, and that is exponential, which tells me it's geometric. And then I look at, that didn't work. I look right here and say, oh, it's infinite. But the only way I can do an infinite sum is if this ratio is a proper fraction or some decimal between -1 and 1. It can't be 1 or -1. It can't be bigger or smaller than that. Then there won't be a sum because it'll diverge instead of converge. But this guy's going to work. So let's do the generic formula first. First term divided by 1 minus r. So I like to write the little infinite there. I think it looks cool. So the first term is 17. 1 minus -5, 6. Now, if you want to do this in one step on the calculator, don't forget you need an extra set of parentheses there. So go ahead and type that in. Sometimes they work out perfectly. This one does not. That's okay. So about 9.273. All right, so number 7 and 8, some money problems. Who doesn't want to save some money, especially in these crazy times? So let's take a quick look right here. So we have 0.1, 10 cents. We have 20 cents. We have 30 cents. And we're going to keep going for 30 days. So the first thing that we're going to do is look at the pattern, and we can see that this is arithmetic because we are adding the same thing every time. And if you look, we're going to add an additional 10 cents. So the D is 0.1 or 10 cents every day. So it wants the total amount after 30 days. So it's asking for a sum after 30 days. So let's fill in everything that we can. So that's the number of terms divided by 2. Then we need the first term, which we know, plus we need the 30th term, which we don't know right now. So somewhere off to the side, we're going to use a sub 30. So that's why I like this problem, is we're using both formulas that deal with arithmetic series, sequences and series. One for the terms and one for the sums. So let's use this formula, first term plus n minus 1 times d. So grab your calculator, and it turns out on the 30th day, your little sister saved $3. And then now this will give us the sum. So grab that calculator, and $46.50. Not the most impressive savings, but wait till you see number 8. This is my single favorite problem of the entire chapter. So we'll write it out, 0.01, 0.02, 0.04. So we started with 1 cent, 2 cents, 4 cents, and all we're going to do is keep adding that for 30 days. So it doesn't seem like it's going to be a lot. We're just talking pennies here. This one is different than the previous problem because we can see that the amount is doubling every time. So it's geometric. We can see that the R value is a positive 2. So we're going to use our formula for the sum of a geometric series. I can fit that down here. So we want to add up the first 30 terms. And so that will be, the first term is 1 cent times 1 minus R to the n divided by 1 minus R. And here it is. You think, I'm just talking pennies. How much could I have in a month? And take a second and type that in before you see the answer here. And this is mind-boggling. This is just 1 month, guys. $10,737,418.23. So that's just 1 month. I think we should take the next month off and just do that. We'll save it up. We'll come back, and then we'll live the lap of luxury. All right, last problem of this review. So first thing that we're going to do, it is asking for a sum. I'm going to look right here because I have to know if it's arithmetic, geometric, or neither, and that is arithmetic. It's linear, so that's going to be an arithmetic sum formula that we're going to use. But the other thing that's different, it says k equals 79 to 192. So we need to remember from the notes on 10-2 day 1 that n equals 192 minus 79 plus 1. Okay, so it's high, upper minus lower plus 1. And so it turns out there are 114 terms in that list. Now to do my sum formula, I need the first term, which is going to be starting at 79. So 3 times 79 minus 14, 2, 2, 3. That was a bad 3. Still a bad 3. Come on, one more chance. One more chance. 2, 2, 3. Blue. I need the 114th term, which comes from the 192. 3 times 192 minus 14. 5, 6, 2. Now we are ready to add up all 114 terms. So 114 over 2. The first term was the 2, 2, 3. And the last term was the 5, 6, 2. Grab that calculator for the sum. 44,745. So thanks for watching. Reach out if you have any questions. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.